Hello everyone, welcome to Deepshikha Bishoyi Artworks. It's me Deepshikha. Today we are going to learn how to make a foal out of geometric shapes. Foal is a baby horse, and so let's begin. Here we go. Lightly sketch an oval and a circle for the head, an oval and a circle for the body. So this is the oval for the body. Then attached to this a smaller circle for the body. Notice the position of each shape. Here's the neckline, and here we go. We're making the head, the oval for the head. And now a smaller circle for the jaw. So here we go. This is how we made the basic outline. Not outline actually, it's basic skeleton. So now draw two lines to connect the head shapes. Here we are connecting the head, we're making the head, and add two curving necklines. Here we make the neckline like this. Now we'll draw a line for the back and one for the belly. Now draw curved lines to begin two legs first. This is the hind leg, and this one would be the front leg. One side we're just showing, so two legs for now. Now this is how we made the basic structure. Now draw two ears. Here now we add an eye, a nose and a mouth. This is the nose, a mouth. Now we draw a mane and a forelock of the foal. Now let's add a tail. Now begin two more legs. Now let's give some detailing. Add lines for the inner ears. Look carefully at the shape of the legs. We complete the legs now. We give shape, we make the curves. So we're showing a running foal. Here we go, the second leg. Now the third leg. Here we go. Now the fourth leg, the final leg. The foal is in action right now. It's running. Now we show some detailing in the eye. Now we show the final lines. We draw with the help of a marker. So here we make the final outlines with the help of the marker. Here we go. For finer details, we use a sketch pen instead of the marker because we need a finer tip. Now we erase out all the pencil lines. Here we go. The outline sketch of the foal is ready now. See, you can see. Now it's time to color. Let's color the foal. To start with, we use the brown color. I'm using crayons here since this sketch is meant for kids, for beginners, for learners, for the ones who are starting drawing newly. So we won't use any kind of complicated coloring. I'm using the simplest way of coloring. This is crayons, plastic crayons. We put these gentle strokes like this. This is how we cover the entire foal with brown color. We don't use many colors since it's an animal, and we don't use too many colors in this. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share, and comment on this video. Any questions, please feel free to put it across in the comment section. You can directly message me. My Instagram and Facebook links are given in the description. And for similar videos and many more videos, you can check the description column. I've given a lot of links of more videos of mine. So I'm using a bit of black here for the hair and the tail and feet, and for giving a little darker shade so that it's more visible, the color is visible better. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. See you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.